So this is Bromi roundabout, very close or beside the Seaman Junction, Seaman Field Station, and where I'm standing right now is the popular Enugu bus stop. So like I mentioned in my last or second video I made about the New Pass flyover being painted. So I talked about this particular place and other places. So today I want to go and give it a tour. So currently this is Bromi roundabout. As you can see, is undergoing another painting. The same thing that I was complaining about the flyover is the same thing that is happening over here. Like I'm saying, the painting is very nice and okay. I have no problem with the painting. But where I'm having the problem is that can we at least amend and repair some of the dilapidated areas before the painting should be applied, and also sweep the areas, make the places more clean, so that when you paint it, everything will be giving the vibe. But mainly looking at the whole thing, the area was not swept. Where the needs amendment were not touched, nothing. They just put up the painting and just like that. So and I want to comment on this particular thing that I'm videoing, this roundabout they constructed here. And so these are some of the things that has been neglected around this area. This place can be renovated, put in order, and use it for relaxations, and maybe free Wi-Fi can be put in there. People can come there to relax, with their loved ones or their friends, connect to the free Wi-Fi and have a tangible discussion without no disturbance. This place can be utilized for that, but it has been abandoned, and the bushes are covered inside that place. It's not being maintained. Nothing is happening inside this particular place. We have something like that, something like this towards that Hopiweka side. We have one beside the Lagos Park, opposite Lagos Park, and towards that Nitel side. Those are the ones we have over there, and nothing is currently going on there except that some of them are being converted to motor park right now. Then the other ones, I don't know what is happening inside there. You can see how the inside the place is looking. This particular one is at the Bromi roundabout, so you can see the inside the way it's looking. So if this place is properly being taken care of, it can be utilized for relaxation place, at least for the moment. But the whole thing was neglected. So let me proceed in showing you other places. So this is still on within that Seaman Junction side. So after the Bromi roundabout, over here they are still doing their repainting, but the problem I'm having is still that sweeping. They are not still sweeping anywhere. No place where we are properly swept, to give the vibe after the painting and rest of them. So the only thing I can comment over here is that when I visited, I saw some group of people clearing or raking the sand, and they are not just packing it one side. They are just moving the sand direct inside the tipper, like no packing of sand to one portion or the other. They are just taking the sand direct to the inside the tipper. So that one I really enjoyed. That if that kind of thing can continue with other places, is a welcome development, and that particular one I can commend it. It's trying to sweep some sections, then pack the sand one side, then leave it for it to spread after some days. That one is, I can't comment that one. It looks like a lazy walk. So you can see them over there. That is their tipper, and they are packing the sand straight to that tipper, and that is how it's supposed to be. So over here you can see that the other side of this road has been painted, moving down. So where they currently are is at my back. The man that is painting this section is still at my back. The other one you are seeing is clearing the bushes that will disturb the painting, but no sweeping was done. This should I call it a roundabout, they built with this iron, we are not touched. Some of them that need amendment and the rest we are not touched, and I believe they will apply paint on it that way if they will be painted. So if you leave this axis by that army barrack side, some of the demarcations and some of the things they use in protecting the the street lights, we are also painted, just like you are seeing. So after these sections, nowhere else was painted over here, though they are still coming down. They are still coming down little by little. Then from here we'll be heading to Opiweka, where another painting is happening. So we are currently at the Opiweka sections, and a lot of repainting is also going on here. And this is the empty space covered with bushes I was talking about. So we have like up to 4 over here, or is it more than 4? We have one here, the one you are watching. We have one at my back. We have one at the other side of the road, and before opposite the I think the Lagos Park, we also have one over there. So painting is going on here, and this one of the issue I'm still having. This painting is looking rough over here, no proper sweeping is going on here. So if I turn around, I'll go and show you the one that is close to the Nightel side, how it's looking. The inside is empty, nothing is going on there. It has been covered with bushes. So my only suggestions to all these things is that if government can actually convert them to relaxation center, provide free Wi-Fi for people, people can go there with their loved ones or their friends to have a discussion, relax their mind, and while doing that, connect to free Wi-Fi. And for now, if they will convert it to such thing, it will be okay until whatever they want to use it for comes up. Maybe when they want to do a proper city planning, maybe by then the whole thing will go down. So aside from this section, also I also saw that the painting or repainting is also going on within that bridge side. They have started repainting that bridge side, and I also saw that some stones have been brought to that sections. I think they are about to kind of maintain that bridge head where we have the bad road at that entrance by that bridge entrance side. So they are about to fix it and other places. So I saw some stones there. So I think there are some level of maintenance is about to commence over there. So guys, this is where I'm gonna be ending this video. Kindly drop your comments if you have. We have to desist from insult. Let's learn from each other. So, and don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to also share. Comment without insult. I will start removing comment very soon. Bye.